Hello everyone, my name is Bao and I'm from the Taiwan, Taipei. I'm teaching yoga in the Taiwan and the China also, and especially the Shanghai. Before I live in Shanghai, I have 2 and 3 years. And I'm very excited to be a Pearl Island yoga teacher, and I will be here to teach the 200 TTC and some workshop and the retreat. And I will help you, and I will help everyone teacher want to be a teacher, or just only you want to more knowledge, want to learn more yoga. And my teaching style, it's about like the basic yoga and anatomy. And the anatomy is not very difficult anatomy. It's like how about to use your brain and your body to connect together. And you need to think, if you go to the movement, like you go to the walk, you just walk and you just move, you just talking, you just eating, and you need to think about what do you think, what are you thinking about now. So I will help you, and I will teach you how to wake up your brain and your heart, and they need to connect together. It is very important to you to practice your yoga practice, and it will help you how to awareness to learning yoga and practice yoga. So I'm very excited to be a part of Island Yoga, and see you soon. Bye bye.